Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
Ka District Rural Development Agency Rubah District Akachin Trilang ka Bureau of Indian Standard Guwahati kabahap apo ka Ministry juga Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Government of India munta ka singkat kana trik wampang kala pulong ka awareness program halal ka sensitization program on promoting to Indian standard in government program nagamuntay kinungkit kam juga sinang baper kibahap apo ka umling ka umsning senar di block ya kabala pulong DRDA hall ka jintmo juga nek awareness program ka halal ka jinang mi ikam thok kam skor kalengkari hakabay de ka jindi ki marthok Nagal yang ketanap jangka Bureau of Indian Standard kila ajin pensaj ke noilam jung snong bat kiwei kibalawan halal ke standard mark lane ka ISI mark kibadan haki mark mata bar ka jindon jung tiki mark pensha ba kilong Tiar kibabit ben pendon kam hagan ne ka sina kali ka Bureau of Indian Standard lawan bani don lang da ka bharasha joti bhasha bat ushubham samnukun ki standard promotion consultant ka kong pidang hun marbaniang district program manager DRDA nongpo bat uba as marbaniang additional district program manager DRDA nongpo.
Basically we are from BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. We are a department under Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So with this program, that is sensitization of village panchayats in Ribhoi district, we wanted to provide an awareness to the representative member of village councils. With this program, we wanted to make them aware about what is ISI, what is hallmark and what is CRS products. About all the mandatory products that come under BIS, we wanted to help them out to spread the awareness among the people of villages. So with this program, we wanted to let them know how they can distinguish between a fake product and real product and how they can save themselves from the fake product that is being circulated in the market. In this program, we had given them details about what is a fake ISI mark and what is a real ISI mark, what does a real ISI mark carries. So this program is all about like spreading an awareness about BIS and ISI hallmark and how the people can distinguish themselves and save themselves from getting fraud by the fake people out there who are trying to fake them out by using a fake ISI mark. We can verify ISI mark, hallmark also we can verify, and CRS mark also we can verify with the BIS Care app. And for using this BIS Care app, we don't have to pay any money. It is totally free of cost. It is available in Play Store, and for iPhone it is available in App Store. So people can just simply download it and they can check and verify the product. And if they find any fishy things in the product, then they can just register a complaint by using the app. Or if not with the application, we have already provided the calendars and our phone numbers also we have already provided. So they can give us a call and we will take action against the fake products that has been circulated in the market. So this was our motto of the program, to sensitize and spread awareness to the village council people so that they can aware the people of the villages to be safe from the fake products.
Good morning everyone. Basically today in this sensitization program we are giving them a demonstration about BIS Care app. In this application they are getting checked about the water bottles, about the mandatory products which is under ISI mark or hallmark or under CRS, which is electronics mark. Basically they are basically the Gram Panchayat sensitization program aims to check whether the product is verified by our department or not. If it is verified, you can check through BIS Care app. In this BIS Care app, you can check ISI mark product is a fake or is real. This is the application BIS Care app, in which you can check, verify license details and verify HUID. Apart from this, you can also check verify R number through through CRS number, in which in under CRS there are several items of like electronics items like smartphones, laptop, projectors and mics, you can check it through BIS Care app. When you are going to verify license details, these application wants license number. If your product is real, then you can check through license number, which is written under the ISI mark, where CML, which is Central Mark License Number, and when you enter the license number, it's just like 54000 71903. When you enter the details of the water bottle, they provide everything, like where it is manufactured, from where it is purified or not, it is very valid or not, its product are all the details are come under BIS Care app. That's all. Thank you.